Ever wondered if you're picking your fruit too early, or maybe too late? It's one of the most common questions gardeners ask, and the truth is, timing is everything. Pick too soon, and your fruit lacks sweetness and flavor. Wait too long, and pests, rot, or over-ripening take over. In today's video, we'll cover how to tell exactly when your garden fruit is ready to harvest, with easy visual cues, taste tests, and a few insider tricks that even experienced gardeners forget. Let's make sure every bite from your garden tastes like summer perfection. Before we get specific, let's talk about how ripening actually works. Fruits ripen because of a plant hormone called ethylene. It triggers changes in color, texture, aroma, and sugar levels. But not all fruits ripen the same way. Climacteric fruits, like tomatoes, apples, bananas, and peaches, keep ripening after picking. Non-climacteric fruits, like strawberries, grapes, and citrus, stop ripening once harvested. That means for some fruits, you can pick early and let them finish indoors. But for others, once they're off the plant, that's it. Their flavor's locked in. The most obvious clue is color, but it's not always straightforward. For example, tomatoes should be rich and uniform in color from red to orange depending on the variety. Peppers start green, then shift to yellow, orange, or red as sugars develop. Blueberries? Wait until they're deep blue and the underside loses its green hue. Strawberries need full, rich red color all the way to the cap. No white tips. Don't rush it. Color often deepens just before full sweetness develops. Next, use your sense of touch. The best gardeners are always feeling their fruit, gently of course. Tomatoes should feel slightly soft but not mushy. Peaches and nectarines give a little when pressed near the stem. Apples are firm and crisp with a waxy feel on the skin. Melons, well, the blossom end, which is opposite the stem, should have a little give and smell sweet. Your nose knows. A ripe fruit releases aromatic compounds that signal peak flavor. You'll notice this most with peaches, cantaloupes, and strawberries. When the scent hits you before you even pick them, that's your cue. If you have to search for the smell, it's not ready. If it's overwhelmingly strong, it might already be past its prime. Here's a pro gardener's secret. If you have to tug hard, it's not ready. Ripe fruit usually releases easily from the stem or vine. Tomatoes and peppers twist off with a gentle pull. Apples and pears lift and twist upward. If they come off cleanly, they're ready. Grapes snap easily from the cluster. Strawberries pop off with just a pinch. Most fruits taste their absolute best when picked in the morning, after they've cooled overnight, but before the day's heat drives moisture and sugars down. For extra sweetness, give your fruit a few extra days of sun once color appears. The sunlight, really boosts sugar content and deepens flavor. Alright, let's go rapid fire with some specific harvest tips. For tomatoes, pick when the color is rich and the skin is just a bit glossy. If you see green shoulders, that means they're still maturing. For peppers, wait until full color develops for maximum flavor. Strawberries? Harvest every 1 to 2 days, since they don't ripen after picking. Blueberries are ready when the ripe ones roll right off the cluster with just a gentle rub. For apples, check if the seeds inside are brown. That's a good sign they're ready. When it comes to melons, look for a creamy underside, and the stem should slip off easily when you lift it. And for citrus, honestly, do a taste test, because color isn't always reliable. At the end of the day, your taste buds are honestly the best gauge. Pick one fruit a little early, give it a taste, and then compare it to one you leave on the plant for a few more days. You'll quickly figure out what ripe really tastes like in your climate and soil, since every garden is a little bit different. Harvesting fruit at the right time, well, it turns good gardening into truly great gardening. Now you know what to look for: color, texture, smell, and that perfect gentle tug. So you'll always pick your produce at its sweetest, juiciest peak. If you found this helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and subscribe for more weekly garden tips and harvest hacks. And hey, drop a comment below. What fruit from your garden are you most proud of? Until next time, happy harvesting, and may every bite taste like sunshine.